Daisy, find it out.
The radii of the end of a spectrum of a cone is
Frustum is not in our syllabus now. This is the relative portion. Okay? Or Abhishek, have it out?
Exercise 13.2, question number 2.
Yes.
Rachel, an engineer student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached of its two ends.
So this is a cylindrical shaped figure having two cones on both ends. Yes.
Using a thin aluminium sheet,
Yes.
the diameter of a model is 3 cm and its length is 12 cm.
3/2 is the radius and the length is
12 cm.
12 is the length of whole the figure.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Dishan, this is the length of whole model. 12 centimeter.
If each cone has a height of 2 cm,
The height of the each cone is 2 centimeter.
find the volume of air contained in the model.
Okay. For finding the volume of this figure, what will you do, Abhishek? Abhishek will tell. How can we find the volume of this whole figure? Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Abhishek, just try.
And volume of cone, 2 cone,
This is 1/3.
pi square
Yes. And
plus volume of cylinder.
plus the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is, please,
Pi square.
really nice.
Pi square.
Pi r square. Very good. And the volume of this cone. If you want to find the volume of the figure, what will we do? We will add the volume of all the figures attached. Like the volume of the cone plus volume of the cylinder plus the volume of the cone. Okay, the height is different. So we will represent the height of the cylinder by h1 and the height of the conical portion by h2. Abhishek, what should be the height of the cylinder? I think this question was from Astama. From last time. Kyostha? No? No. तुमसे पूछा था?
नहीं मैम
Abhishek, can you tell me how can you find the length or the height of the cylinder? It's really easy.
12 minus
Just see the figure.
12 minus height of cone.
Very good. So we will subtract the height of the two cones from the total height of the figure. That is 12 minus 2 plus 2. It will be 8. So 8 centimeters the height of the cylindrical portion and 2 and 2 centimeters are the height of the conical portion. So the volume of the cone is, we know that the radius of all the figures is same. So we can represent it by the single symbol that is r. 1/3 pi r square is pi. Pi r square into h2 plus the cylinder pi r square h1 plus the cone. Ishan, what are you doing in the notebook? Pi r square h2. So now what can we do for easy calculation?
Taking common.
Yeah, we will take common like 1/3 pi r square is common. Oh, sorry. The last time same mistake was there.
Only pi r.
Yeah, thank you. Because most of you notice this thing. It's really good. Pi r square will be common. So here will be 1/3 h2 plus h1 plus 1/3 h2. Abhishek, after putting the values of these all symbols, can you solve it?
Yes.
Okay, sit down please. You want to write down this one?
Yes.
This is question number 2. Anisha. Aisha, question.
Example number 9, page number 249.
Okay.
Salary house has an overhead tank in the shape of cylinder.
Overhead tank in the shape of cylinder. This is a cylindrical tank, okay?
This is filled by pumping water from a sump and under which is the shape of cuboid. The sperm has dimension 1.57 meter.
1.57 meter.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Into
1.44 meter.
1.44, not 44, है ना? 44.
Into 95 centimeter.
Into 95 centimeters. So this value is in centimeter and all these values are in
Meter.
meter. So you can convert the meter or you can convert it to the centimeter.
Meter.
So it will be what do you want to convert? Meter to centimeter.
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 95 centimeter.
So we will change these values in centimeter. Okay, just tell me the values of this cylindrical portion.
The overhead tank has its radius 60 centimeter and height 95 centimeter.
So these values are in centimeters, so we will convert all the values in centimeter. 60 centimeters the radius and the height is 95 centimeter. Okay. 157 centimeter and 144 centimeter. Okay, Risha?
Find the height of water left in sperm sump after the overhead tank has been completed, filled with water from the sump which had been.
Which one is the sum? This one or this one?
Find the height of water left in the sump after the overhead tank.
That one. And this is over a tank. Okay. So this is a tank and we are going to fill the tank by using this one. And you have to find how much water will be left in this tank when you fill this tank by this water. So आपने इसमें से कुछ निकाल के पानी इसके अंदर डाल दिया. अब इसके अंदर कुछ पानी छूट गया होगा. आपको बताना है इसके अंदर कितना पानी रहेगा. क्या करोगे अनिशा?
सिलेंडर का फॉर्मूला बताओ.
सिलेंडर का फॉर्मूला बताओ.
Pi r square.
Very good. This is the volume of water in the tank. So we are going to fill this tank by using this tank. Huh? So what will you do if you want to find how much water will be left here after filling this tank by the water? Just think and answer. इसके अंदर पानी भरा हुआ था. आपने इसमें से इसके अंदर पानी डाल रहे हो और इसके अंदर कुछ पानी बच जाएगा क्योंकि बड़ा है. तो कितना पानी बचा ये बताना है आपको. तो क्या कर सकते हैं?
पहले वॉल्यूम सिलेंडर निकालेंगे.
Yes. फिर
उसके बाद वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबाइड.
बिल्कुल. फिर अब आपको ये पता चल गया इसके अंदर कितना पानी था और इसके अंदर कितना पानी आ रहा है. अब क्या करोगे?
वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबाइड.
नहीं सोच के देखो. अच्छा एक बार जस्ट इमेजिन. सोचो आपके पास बाल्टी भरा पानी, आपको पता है कितना पानी है उसके अंदर. And you have a mug also, and you know how much water can be there in the mug. So after filling your mug with the water from the bucket, how much water will be left in the bucket? How can you find it? Just think and answer. You know how much the volume of the water which is in the bucket. You know how much water will come into the mug, and after filling the mug with the water, how much water will be left in the bucket? How can you find it? Just imagine, just think and answer.
Volume of capacity of tank upon
Capacity means the volume. Okay, doesn't matter. Who's going to answer? Raise your hand. Priyanshi, don't know the answer. What is this? Ajay? Ashish, sorry. Ashish. You know Ashish?
सेपरेट करेंगे.
किसने बोला?
आशीष.
Okay, good Ashish. So Anisha, this is really simple. If you want to find how much water is left in this tank, in this tank, so what will you do? You will subtract the volume of the water in the cylinder from the volume of the water which was present in the cuboid. So the volume of cuboid minus the volume of cylinder. Okay, good Ashish. Sit down, Nita. Sit down, Anisha. Are you clear? Can you do yourself?
We need to find the height of the water.
We need to find the height. How much height? Okay. We have to find out how much high is water is here. Okay. So if you want to find how much is the water level here, you want to find the height of the water left in this portion. So first what will you do? You will find the volume of the water in this surface, which is equal to volume of sand minus the volume of the tank. pi r square into h. Now this is the volume of water which is in the samp now. Anisha, just think and answer. Now you know the volume of the water in the samp here. If you want to find the height of this water, what will you do? You know the volume of this water. Now you need only the height. So what will you do? Just imagine, just think and just answer.
Volume of left water.
We know the volume of the left water here. पता चल गया आपको, आपने जब माइनस किया था आपको पता चल गया कितना पानी इसके अंदर बचा है. अब पानी का वॉल्यूम आपके पास है, आपको पानी की हाइट फाइंड करनी है. क्या करोगे? ये तो वॉल्यूम आ गया ना पानी का जो बचा हुआ है. अब हाइट निकालने के लिए क्या करोगे? चलो गुड, आप पीछे करो थक जाओगे. हाँ सही बोल रहे हो, बोलो तो सही, सही बोल रहे हो.
L into B.
L into B, what L into B? L into B is the area. So what will you do with the L into B? What should be the formula of the height?
Height of
Cuboid. Ananya, what should be the formula of the height of cuboid? L into B is the area. What should be the formula of the height of the cuboid? It's really simple. Nitin?
Left water.
हाँ.
Volume of left water in sampan upon area.
Very good. Since we know that the volume of the cuboid is L into B into H. Okay, Rania? Anisha? If you want to find the height, so height will be volume upon it into B. So it means if you divide the volume by the area, you can easily find the height. You know the volume of left water in the samp. You know the area of the place, that is 157 into 144. So can you find the height? By dividing this volume by the area of the base. Anisha, is it clear? So this volume, you can also write it like this. The volume of the left water is equal to L into B into H. Or for finding the value of H, you have to take these values in denominator. तो आपके पास आपकी इच्छा है, वैसे चाहे ऐसे कर सकते हो. आप चाहो तो वॉल्यूम निकाल के एरिया से डिवाइड कर लो, या फिर इस फॉर्मूले को अप्लाई करके फिर ये बात अपॉन में बाद में लेके चले जाओ. ओके, देन सिट डाउन. Ananya, is it clear? Sit down. Any other doubt from this line? Okay, Mansi and Rishant, two guys have the rights. Question?
Volume and surface area of a solid hemisphere.
This is the hemisphere. Yes?
Are numerically equal.
Okay. The volume and surface area of this hemisphere are numerically equal. Okay.
What is its diameter of hemisphere?
You have to find the diameter of the hemisphere. Suppose the radius of the hemisphere is r. So what should be the volume of this hemisphere? Volume of hemisphere, Mansi. 2/3 pi r cube. 2/3 pi r cube. This is the volume of hemisphere. And what should be the total surface area of the hemisphere? Acha, what is the curved surface area of the hemisphere? Total surface area of sphere. Mansi, first of all, you should learn all the formulas. Raghav, what is the curved surface area of the hemisphere? My God. Priyanshu? 2 pi r square. And what is the total surface area of the hemisphere? Total surface area of hemisphere.
3 pi r square.
कौन बोल रहा था वैसे? लड़की ने सेवा चुरा पाई. So the total surface area of the, since the hemisphere have the curved surface and the area of this portion is pi r square. So by adding both these values, we will find that 3 pi r square is the total surface area of the hemisphere. So the volume of the hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. This is the total surface area of the hemisphere. Now you have to find the radius. What will you do, Mansi? So don't. Okay, diameter. Calculate it. Pi cancel out with pi and r square with r cube. So cross multiply कर लेते हैं, है ना? यहाँ तो r बच जाएगा, r square लिख के आओगे बहुत में लिख लेती हूँ मैं. r cube और r square is equal to 3 into 3.2. r square से r cube cancel होगी कितना बचेगा? r. That means r is equal to 9.2 centimeter. Centimeter? No, there is no unit. So you have to write unit. आप कभी भी किसी वैल्यू को खाली नहीं छोड़ेंगे, कोई यूनिट नहीं है आपके पास तो सिर्फ यूनिट लिख के छोड़ो, और उसको कभी बिना इसके मत लिखना. This is the radius. Mansi, how can you find the diameter?
Upon 2.
Into diameter is twice the radius, so it will be 9 unit. This is the diameter of the hemisphere. Clear? Please start with this question. Now the next one, Prashant.
I got it.
Go ahead. Please start with this one.
A solid wooden toy is in the form of a hemisphere
This is the hemisphere.
surrounded by a cone
And this hemisphere is surmounted by a cone. It means we placed a cone over the hemisphere.
of same radius.
Yeah.
The radius of hemisphere is 3.5 centimeters,
Radius is 3.5 centimeter.
and the total wood used in the making toy is 166 centimeters.
So Mansi, first you have to tell me what is this? Volume. Since it is given that the total wood used to making this toy is this one, it means the volume of the wood. Good.
Find the height of the toy.
Toy.
Also find the cost of painting the hand-cycle part of the toy at the rate of rupees 10 per centimeter square.
So Mansi, this is the volume of this whole toy. What is the formula for finding the volume of this whole toy? Suppose the height of the conical portion is h. So what should be the volume of this figure? Lots of hands here. Good, very good.
Volume of both the volume of the hemisphere.
Yeah. It is the volume of cone plus the volume of hemisphere. And what is the volume of cone? 1/3 pi r square. Very good. And what is the volume of the hemisphere?
2/3.
Yeah. It is 2/3 pi r cube. And this whole volume is equal to 166. It is given in the question. So it is equal to 166. We can take, yeah. We can take 1/3 pi and 3.5 square as a common. So here will be h plus
3.4.
3.5 into 2. है ना? 2 into 3.5. So after calculating the value, we can easily find the value of h. So please do this question with me and calculate and find the value of h. Mansi, sit down here. कैलकुलेशन ही करनी पड़ेगी. 166 is correct. पक्का? Please calculate these values. Please calculate these values and tell me what is the calculation. That was positive. So after calculation, what is the value? Nishant,
13.7.
13.7. It is near about. You have to calculate. And then you will move this 7 here in subtraction. Then you will find the height of the conical portion. Mansi, after calculation, can you find the height? है ना? इसको यहाँ लेके जाओ subtract में. 6.7. This is the height of the cone. Now you want to paint a figure. You want to paint this toy. So what will you do? Yes, you will get the surface area of the figure. And what is the surface area of this figure?
Surface area of cone plus surface area of surface.
This is the correct big concept. Surface area of cone and the surface area of Punnett sphere. By adding these values, we can find the surface area of the sphere. And then we will multiply the surface area by rupees 10 to get the total cost. Yes. Okay. We'll continue in the next class.